Brian here with HelpSellMyRV.com out of Louisville, Kentucky, where all RVs and boats are for sale by owner. I'm going to do a walk around on this 1997 Grumman 20 SP pontoon boat with the 50 horsepower outboard motor. Boat is a one owner boat. Does have two covers. One is the Bimini cover. It's in excellent condition. It does have a little privacy, little room, curtain room for dressing, and I'll show that to you. Here's the other cover here. That's the full canopy cover to cover the whole thing. Nice ladder. Get up in the boat when you're in the water, kind of show off. It's got some wear and tear, but it's not like it's been beat up. For 97, definitely I would think it's normal wear and tear. Show off those pontoons. Tires on the trailer are new. I believe the owner told me they were put on last year. Kind of give you an idea of what the inside looks like by climbing up in here at the end of the video. Again, the Bimini top, all the covers are pretty much in excellent condition. There's the Grumman Badge. From what I hear from expert boat people, they say the Grumman's a pretty good boat. So there's your 50 horsepower Evinrude. The lower unit has been recently serviced. Owner said I think he hit a log or something. The owner says this boat has right around, just right under 1,000 hours on it. Again, he only uses it when he just goes fishing, so he'll just put it in the water and maybe go up the way a bit and just drop anchor and sit there for a couple hours. So this boat has only been in lake water. This has never been in the river. Okay, go ahead and climb up in here, show you what the layout looks like. There is signs of wear and tear and discoloring on the cockpit dash area. All your upholstery has some sign of wear and tear. They're not really torn up, it's just, they're just kind of discolored a little bit, like a little bit of mold or something. Not sure if soft scrub bleach or something like that could clean them up, or take it to a detail guy, a boat shop, see if they can clean them up real good. This is a 10-person pontoon boat. Nice rod holders there. Full spinning, collapsible chairs here, fishing chairs. Okay, up underneath here, that's your little privacy room, curtain privacy room for dressing. And it just bolts up here, or zips up in some fashion. Show off that Bimini top, show that that's in excellent condition. You do have storage up underneath both of these seats here. And the steering wheel showing signs of aging. You do have the fish finder here. Humminbird fish finder. Zoom in on that in case you want to research it. Humminbird 150. Up in the front here, this is going to be your live well. Go ahead and show that off to you. It's going to be your battery compartment here. Everything is in operating order. It does have the trolling motor. Not sure what size that is. And oh, I do want to show the occupancy badge here. 10-person for 1,900 pounds. There you go. Go ahead and climb out of this. If you want to come and see the boat, just call the number on the ad. You deal directly with the owner. If you like this video, I appreciate if you give a thumbs up on YouTube, and if you want to keep up to date on RVs and boats coming for sale by owner in the Louisville, Kentucky area, you can always follow HelpSellMyRV.com on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and YouTube. Thank you.